guys, guess what? It has snowed.
Again.
We were already kind of, hi John.
Hello.
We were already kind of drowning in snow. Our street is still one lane and, you know, all that. But we had
Our
another...
driveway is 1.5 cars.
Our driveway is 1.5 cars. It's normally what, like 4? Sometimes.
No. Maybe 2 tops.
2 tops. We are heading out to enjoy the snow and to take some pictures. Okay, we're here and it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know which lens I want to start with, so I'm just going to start with the one that was on the camera, and that is my 70-300, and we're all bundled up, eh?
Mm-hmm.
I thought I might only need the one coat, but
it's chilly.
It's chilly. This is such a beautiful wooden shelter. I love the rustic wood tones. It is absolutely beautiful. I can hear some birds. There's a really small lake here, and I can hear some birds chirping. I would love to see if I could catch one of them. One of them I did see was a beautiful red cardinal, and against the snow, that's just like incredible. But we'll see. We'll see. I love these icicles up here. Where should we go? Where should we go?
Oh.
Oh, that's cold. I would throw one back at you, but then my camera would get snowy. Okay. It's cold. It's windy, it's cold. It's gorgeous. I like, I didn't bring the tripod out of the car because I really like just going handheld, and this is definitely very bright. So snow you can usually get away with handheld. So we're gonna walk and see if we can get to the train. There is a beautiful old locomotive. Is it a locomotive or a train? Oh yeah! We love the show Murdoch Mysteries, and they've used a lot of these places to film. So my camera is like ISO 100 and I'm still getting a decent shutter speed. However, depending on what it is and where it is, I'll go all the way up to ISO 800, and while it'll be important to, you kind of need to overexpose snow to make it white. However, I tend to not do that. I go the opposite direction. I underexpose a little bit, and then when I'm editing, I bring it up. And that way it stops me from losing detail. It's Huh?
I thought there was a way up. Well, I guess technically there is, but... You want to do? Walk around?
Sure.
I thought there was a way out of here. That's not it. You know what? Why don't we walk around and drive up to the train?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe without the snow, there's a good path.
I thought you were going to go face first. I'm like, I don't think that's a snow angel.
Face first will not be very angelic. Uh-oh. Now how do I get up? Hey, I have no head. What do you think, John? Am I an angel? Sure. Sure. That's a great answer. So, you got a new watch, eh?
Yes?
And what does it do? What's your favorite feature?
I don't know, the whole thing. It's so nerdy.
It's awesome.
It is, it's so nerdy. Everything. Steps, whatever, everything, right?
I love your color GPS. That's so cool.
That was downloaded, right? Yeah.
Neat.
Yeah.
Where are we gonna go now?
I don't know, go back and then go see if we can find the choo-choo.
Awesome. I'm so glad we went in your truck. Little stream. It's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna take some Stream handheld ISO 800, 0 exposure value, and I'm keeping my f-stop up pretty high. That's why I have ISO 800, because you know there's lots of foreground and stuff, and unless I really want it out of focus, then I'm gonna keep it up kind of high. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure. Just playing around. The foreground can really get in the way because it's so like woodland. Woodland can be so busy that you don't even realize that some of the foreground is in the way. So you have to be really careful. Even just a stray branch, and if it's the wrong kind of branch, it's really hard to edit out, and then you're kind of like, oh man. Okay, we'll see you at the other place. was fun.
Yep.
Wasn't that cool?
Yep.
That train is neat.
Knackered. All right, here, hang on.
Okay, what do we
Take a
got?
look what we end up with. Oh, not bad.
What do we get?
$52 minutes. Oh, hang on a second.
Ooh,
Hang on. 1.5, so I don't know. Something.
1.5 miles
Sure.
probably?
I don't know. Kilometers. 2.5 moving speed. It's pretty slow.
Oh, it's a good workout when you're trudging through that snow.
Yeah, when you're fat.
You're not fat.
A lot of beef to move, you know.
Anyway, guys, thank you so much for coming along with us.
Yeah, bye, guys. Here, push.
What?
Push my shoe on. The heel, the heel. Push, push. Damn it, push.